If I've committed a crime, about to commit a crime?
No, sir.
Okay, well then you can. All right.
Listen to me.
I'll give you my first name. It's Good Citizen.
Negative, sir. You will stay detained until you identify yourself.
Welcome to the John Ligato Show. I'm John Ligato. A Border Patrol checkpoint, an auditor, and a simple question.
Are you United States citizen, sir?
I don't wish to answer any questions.
You don't wish to answer any questions?
Yes.
Sir, you answer, you can be on your way. I just need to be satisfied that you're United States citizens and you'll be free to go.
We're not here to harm anybody.
Now, many auditors proclaim that, hey, we're not here to harm anyone. Well, that's exactly what Hitler said right before he invaded Poland and killed thousands of people. Yeah, I can hear some of you whining that I'm comparing auditors with Hitler, and you're correct. Perhaps mini Adolfs, but my point is, why would anybody believe Hitler or this auditor?
We're not here to harm anybody.
Oh, that's
We'd
fine.
just like to be on our way.
It's a simple question. Are you all United States citizens?
Do you have a reason to believe I'm not?
Are you?
Do you have a reason to believe I'm not? I've answered your question. I don't wish to participate in your investigation.
It's not if you participate or not. Are you a United States citizen, yes or no?
What reason do you have to believe I'm not? That's the way that, you guys are good about quoting the law, but that's what the law says. You have to believe I'm not a citizen in order to question me.
Sir, everybody, okay? This is the United States Border Patrol checkpoint. I'm attempting to conduct an immigration inspection under Section 287 of the Immigration and Nationality Act. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled in United States versus Martinez Fuerte in 1976 that a U.S. Border Patrol has the authority to set up permanent or fixed checkpoints on public highways leading to or away from the Mexican border, and that these checkpoints are not a violation of the Fourth Amendment. You are being ordered to move your vehicle to secondary, please.
Okay. So where do you want me to pull?
Right over here in the secondary.
Where that guy in the green is?
Yes.
Okay.
Auditors like to quote laws, and they do so with the authority in their voices as they rattle off case law. But it's most often partial excerpts from cases that don't even apply to their situation. The Border Patrol agent quoted a Supreme Court case, which the auditor conveniently ignores, because only auditors can throw the Supreme Court trump card to end all discussion.
I just want to conduct my immigration inspection. Oh, you guys can be on your way. Are you a United States citizen?
Okay, so you're quoting Fuentes. Fuentes says if you have a reason to believe I'm not a U.S. citizen, you can stop me and question me and detain me. What reason do you believe to have that I'm not a U.S. citizen?
Sir, this is the United States Border Patrol checkpoint. Everybody gets
we're going to go around. We're going to go round and round here.
No, you're going to go round and round.
No, I'm not. I don't want to waste your time, and I don't want you to waste my time.
Exactly. I just want to get you on the road.
Okay. So just so we're clear here, okay, I do not have a weapon on me.
Okay.
All right. There is a firearm secured under the seat.
Perfect.
All right. So I have no other weapons on me at all. I'm not here to harm anybody. Don't mean any. I just want my rights respected. I'd like to be on my way.
Do you have any identification? Anything that I can ID you?
Well,
I need to be satisfied with my immigration inspection. I need to be sure that you're a United States citizen and you can be free to go.
what reason do you have to believe I'm not a citizen?
Sir, it's 100% inspection.
Okay.
Everybody,
you've inspected. You've spoken to me. I don't speak with an accent.
It's a classic case of auditor logic or illogic. Only bad U.S. citizens speak with accents. We know that. But let's deal with the purpose of Border Patrol checkpoints. Now, auditors have wives, children, and sisters. And one of the purposes of these checkpoints is to prevent human trafficking.
¿Dónde viene? De Guatemala. She said she paid 13 grand and it was on credit. I asked her, was she supposed to pay it off by working it off, or was she supposed to pay it off through being in the sex trade? Told her the cartel lies.
The driver was 15 years old, which we've been noticing a trend that they're using these younger or juveniles.
Here's an innocent college student, human trafficker, from the States who speaks perfect English. So I guess by the auditor's logic, we should just wave her on through, right?
Who's all in the vehicle with you today?
My cousins.
How many cousins do you have in there?
Two.
Two? Who's laying in the back?
The other two.
The other two?
So 4.
So you have 4 cousins in there. Why are they wearing camouflage? She's getting paid $7,000 to take 4 up.
This guy is an ACLU attorney who is doing a story on anti-Border Patrol agents for ABC News. But he does let this little tidbit out.
The Supreme Court said that Border Patrol agents at immigration checkpoints can conduct brief stops for the limited purpose of verifying resident status.
So let's get back to our auditor, who, like most auditors, are either in denial about the law, actually believe their misinformation about the law, or are just being a-holes for their subscribers. Or maybe all three. You be the judge.
It's all about my rights. Actually, what the Supreme Court says was you can detain me briefly, which I think is going to be 30 or 40 minutes, and then you're going to turn me loose. That's called catch and release.
So we now know that auditors know the law, and he's sure what border agents will do. They'll release him. And auditors are never wrong. Or are they?
Sir, unfortunately, I cannot identify you, so you're not, unless you can tell me right now that you're a United States citizen. If not, I'm going to have to take you inside and roll you to see who you are.
The John Ligato Show is being broadcast from outside the gates of Marine Corps Base Camp Lejeune in beautiful North Carolina. If you like the show, subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything, and we don't ask for personal information. Semper Fidelis.